If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
The Enjin network has changed from a gaming local area into an NFT force to be reckoned with. It has made a stage for designers to mint NFTs to use in their games. These tokens should be printed from the local digital money Enj, giving the coin true worth, as clients can liquefy the tokens back down into the first Enj speculation. Enj gained a lot of headway in 2021, moving from 13 cents in January to another unequaled high of $4.82 in late November. In any case, in the same way as others, the coin experienced significant misfortunes towards the year's end and, toward the start of 2022, saw a 16-week low of $1.38 on 22 January. However, the coin has as of late begun to mobilize as it sent off Affinity, a parachain that is important for the Enjin environment. As we move further into 2022, will Enjin cause one more bullish recuperation or will it to be shot somewhere around the bears? Enjin White Paper. The White Paper Enjin coin. Smart cryptocurrency for gaming was distributed on 26 September 2017 and is 34 pages in length. It says Enj is another digital currency, ERC20 token, and shrewd agreement stage that gives game engineers, content makers and gaming networks the required crypto-upheld worth and instruments for executing and overseeing virtual products. The white paper proceeds to frame Enjin's arrangements to foster a strong structure of open-source programming improvement units, SDKs, wallets, game modules, virtual thing the executive's applications, and an installment entryway stage. The report proceeds to say. Adaptation utilizing Enjin coin will be a key concentration, with powerful elements and toolsets gave. Extraordinary advantages will be acquired by using a decentralized stage and the supporting systems. The story up until this point. Enj sent off on 1 November 2017 at 2 cents, and in its initial 3 years the coin attempted to move beyond the $1 obstruction hindrance. Nonetheless, it saw a cost help in January 2018 when Enjin sent off its versatile wallet. As well, similar to a simple method for putting away NFTs and Enj, the wallet additionally upholds in excess of 600 ERC20 tokens. On 6 January 2018, the day the wallet sent off, Enjin coin spiked to 44 cents. Enj fell after the send-off to beneath 1 cent, however it made a few additions leading the pack up to a Binance occasion in June. Enjin reported in June that it very well may be exchanged for BNB, Binance's local cryptographic money. To observe, Enjin uncovered it was offering 1 meter Enj, which at the time was esteemed at $98,000. For the following 9 months, Enj couldn't move beyond 10 cents. It in the long run spiked in March 2019 when Enjin uncovered an organization with Samsung with an assertion saying Enjin was Samsung's wallet of decision. Enjin consented to help Samsung with its own blockchain wallet, which stores cryptographic forms of money utilizing a safe confidential key administration framework. On 8 March 2019, after the news, Enj spiked to 21 cents. The coin's cost fell again after the declaration, and it assumed control more than a year prior. Enj could come to the 20 cents mark once more. The finish of May saw a transitory spike in the cost of Enj when it hit 23 cents on 28 May 2020. Notwithstanding, it fell down between the 10 cents and 20 cents mark until the end of the year. A bullish 2021. Enjin was on a bullish pattern in 2021 and figured out how to push the energy along for the vast majority of the year. The cost began ascending toward the start of March when Hobby reported it was posting Enj and ran a marking occasion. The occasion began on 15 March and ran more than 2 days. Clients who saved and marked Enj could see prizes of up to 43,000 Enj. In the number 1 spot up to the occasion, Enj was on a run that shot past $1. This proceeded, and on the principal day of the occasion, Enj soared to $2.69. The cost didn't fall beneath $2 and arrived at considerably higher the next month. Coinbase began posting Enj on its trade in April, and the cost saw another flood. On 9 April 2021, the day of the posting, Enjin arrived at a high of $4, prior to shutting at $3.45. Enjin fell underneath the $1 mark in May, yet a brand commitment explorer figured out how to get the cost somewhat. Enjin airdropped 50,000 novel NFTs through computerized adverts and virtual entertainment posts. This showed another way for brands to interface with expected clients. The cost nearly reached $2 when the examination sent off. Nonetheless, it promptly fell the following day and over the course of the following couple of months. It was not some time before another spike. In late August, Enjin uncovered it was teaming up with Blockster, a crypto informal community. In the approach Blockster's public send-off, Enjin surrendered away to 400,000 NFTs to early Blockster clients. August saw another declaration that the cryptographic money was accessible to exchange on the Bitstamp trade. After the news, Enjin came to $2.16 on 23 August 2021. The Enjin digital currency figured out how to get through the $3 boundary again in November and set another standard. On 25 November 2021, Enjin arrived at an untouched high of $4.85, however by 1 December, it shut at $3.54. On 7 January 2022, the token shut at $2.34, prior to falling further to $1.49 on 22 January. Enjin has as of late begun to mobilize after the solidification period. This followed its lead parachain affinity sending off on the Polkadot blockchain. The stage sent off with more than 100 games and applications. It moved to $1.88 on 4 April 2022. It has since lost these increases and saw desperate effects from the new crypto crash. Its cost plunged beneath $1 in May and under 50 cents toward the start of the next month. At the hour of compassing, on 20 June 2022, Enjin is sitting at 45 cents. Nonetheless, it is up 8% in a new 7-day time span after it uncovered the second rendition of its wallet for beta testing. Enjin cost forecast. The Enjin token saw an ascent of practically 15,000% from the start of 2021 to its unsurpassed high of $4.82 in November. However, at that point saw moderately huge misfortunes over the main portion of 2022. This has driven specialized pointers, for example, the Stoch RSI and CMF to offer various positions. Be that as it may, an unmistakable example is obvious from a board of 26 pointers gave by 13 recommend selling and just 3 propose purchasing. It is critical to note, nonetheless, that specialized pointers are not exact portrayals of all ongoing economic situations.